Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a donut tower. First, let's plan. Consider your event size and the number of donuts needed. A strong base is crucial for stability, so choose wisely. Think about the types of donuts you'll use, perhaps a mix of sizes for visual interest. Gather your tools like skewers and a good icing to ensure a smooth building process. This preparation makes all the difference. Now let's build the foundation. Begin by placing your largest donuts on the chosen base. These form the critical first layer, so arrange them carefully. Use a strong edible adhesive, such as royal icing, to secure each donut firmly to the base and to each other. This step is vital for the entire tower's stability. Take your time to ensure everything is level and robust before moving on. With your base secure, it's time to stack. Gradually add smaller donuts, working your way upwards. To prevent collapse, insert food-safe skewers through the center of the donuts and into the layers below. This provides essential internal support. Apply a small amount of icing between each donut layer to help them adhere. This careful stacking ensures your tower remains upright and impressive. Finally, let's make your donut tower beautiful. This is where your creativity shines. Drizzle glazes, melted chocolate or caramel over the donuts for an elegant finish. Add colorful sprinkles, fresh berries, or edible flowers to enhance its visual appeal. A festive topper like a small flag or a personalized sign can add a wonderful final touch. Enjoy your stunning creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.